Hi guys, again, ano ito, nada kayo gipalit nga, kaon na punta. Nada kayo gipalit nga, kani siya, ang singa niya, Dubai Chewy Cookie. So ako siyang itry. Actually, duha akong gipalit kay mahal-mahal man din siya, no? May pagka-pricey siya. Then ako siyang itry. Try na to siya. Nani siya sa SM. Third floor. So kani siya, try rata kung say lasa niya, no? Kaingon sila, lami daw ni. So, mo try ta og kuan. Ako siyang try duha. Pero usa ra akong kaunon kay nang dili ko pwede sa kamitang grabe katamis. So, we'll see kung unsa ni siya. Dubai Chewy Cookie daw ni. Unsa ni? Agoy ginoo ko. Chewy gid siya, guys.
Maybe you need to find it.
Muni ang dagway.
It's Bellamy. I've got another returned here. Woke up in the woods, walked into town. No family, nobody to claim him, so I guess that means he's your responsibility. Let me know where
Actually,
you want to deliver.
it's not for me. Di na ko siya feel.
That was quick.
What?
Sorry. I thought you were somebody else. So,
But it's chewy,
Marty,
yeah.
I'm not gonna believe this.
Pero,
I think they're returned.
who are?
dili siya.
Bones from the river. Paige is listening to me.
Para na ko kay kuan. Hindi siya worth sa price.
Three of them have fractured fingers.
Para na ko lang.
Not
No.
similar.
And
The
then,
other three have the exact same congenital knee dislocation. So we're not looking at 6 individual people. These are 2 sets of 3 identical skeletons.
namang siya better taste. Hindi ko na ham.
With ritual,
So,
each time they left a body behind.
Are you sure about this?
The only
pwede siya
explanation.
kayo sa tamis.
But these bones, they're old. Really old.
But,
From the dental work, the coroner thinks it could be from the
I'm definitely not buy it again.
So if I'm right, Jacob wasn't the first. It's happened before.
So,
This changes everything, Marty.
that's it. Kaya ako siyang detry. Mao daw ni ang kay gahan mo mga nakita ko mga sikat na influencer na other people nga ang try ano, so I'm so curious. So,
The remains?
I buy
Yeah, I guess so. Why?
og duha ka buo. So,
Tell her it's on my authority.
I'll be there as soon as I can. Marty, what's going on? Is everything okay?
Tell the coroner to hold off on filing a report until she hears from me. Okay?
so maura to eh. So, kung nan mo try na siya sa SMC side, sa 3rd floor, padulong sa Cyber Zone. Ano na siya. Medyo pricey siya, pero para na ako, it's not worth it. Maybe sa uban nga store, I don't know. So, that's it.